How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
Repair damaged skin. Close large open brows and remove dark spots, hyperpigmentation with potato. Hi friends, in this video I will share with you an effective remedy. It's a nighttime face massage with potato ice cubes. First, take a potato and build a skin and shred it. Then, add shredded a potato in a mixture. Then add 1/2 bowl of pomegranate seeds. And we need to add 2 teaspoons of water. Blend the mixture into juice. Who is amateur in an ice cube tray and each section and freeze it. Once frozen, it's ready to use. Massage it in a circle motion for 2 minutes to remove dark spots. Then wash it by cold water. Please don't forget to share this remedy with your friends.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.